Coach Jojo IFBB Pro here. Today we are going to talk about lower back pain. So before we start, I want you to identify what kind of pain you are having. Is it a muscle pain or is it like an injury that is related to your nerve and your bone? So you need to identify first. If you are having an injury, I advise you to go ask your doctor, do some kind of treatment, before you come back to me to do some rehab exercises. So let's get started. Today we're going to talk about lower back pain. So where is the lower back pain? Lower back pain usually is around here at your waist part, okay? So what kind of exercises or stretching can we do? Now usually this part of the pain is caused by muscle tension, okay? So you want to release those muscles. So this is a very simple exercise that you can do anywhere, okay? So you want to stand up tall first. Begin with standing up tall. Then you want to look down, all right? And slowly roll your spine down. You want to roll your spine down vertebra by vertebra until to a point that you feel like a stretch there. As soon as you feel the stretch, I want you to just stop. And I want you to make sure that you're relaxing your head and neck. Now, a lot of people like to do this, all right? But try not to do it. Your head needs to relax. You're going to feel more like weight when you're dropping your head down. So just stay in this position as long as you can, okay? Of course, you can keep your knees bent, okay? Keep your knees bent so that your hamstring are relaxed. Sometimes when your hamstring is very tight, you won't be able to stretch out your back. Now, do you need to go all the way down? I would say if you want to stretch your back, your motive is to stretch your back, then do not keep your leg straight. Keep it slightly bent because that will help you stretch it. If you're keeping your leg straight, you're stretching the hamstring. So please know the difference. Leg straight, you're stretching your legs, your hamstring. If you're keeping your knees slightly bent, you're stretching your back. Let's do one more time, okay? So you're going to look down and then just slowly roll your spine down. Okay, find a spot that you feel like, okay, I can feel my stretch at my back. Okay, if you want a little bit more, just swing your body to the right and left. Okay, just swing it. Okay, I'm going to face front so you can see my movement. So I'm just swinging like that. So I can feel the side of my back when I'm doing this. I can feel the side of my back really stretching. And then once you are done, what you want to do is slowly coming up. Okay, your head is the last to come up. Okay, try not to do this. Try not to do this. Okay, then you create the tension back for your back. Okay, so very simple exercise that you can do at home to stretch it out. The next exercise is also very simple. I want you to go on the floor. Okay, I'm facing sideways so you can see. I want your bottom to sit down on your heels. Then after that, what you're going to do is you round your body forward. Okay, you can reach your hands forward. Now, the point is you must keep your bottom sitting down. So, okay, if you keep your bottom sitting down, you will feel the stretch at your lower back. Okay, now a lot of people cannot touch their head on the floor when you're in this position, which is fine. So if you're trying to keep your head on the floor, this is what's going to happen. Can you see my bottom lifting up? So you don't want your bottom to lift up. Try to keep your bottom down. So you want to try your best to allow your body to curve forward. So imagine always when you want to stretch your lower back, imagine your body is like a rubber band. Not a rubber band. I would say it's like a ruler. Okay, when you bend the plastic ruler, okay, you want to bend both sides. Okay, so one is anchoring down to your heels and the other side is anchored down towards the floor. You want to create the arc shape. Okay, creating the arc shape for your back. So if you want to feel the stretch, really the target is not about touching the floor. Okay, it's about how much curve you can create for yourself. As you can see, this is the position that I can feel the stretch. I'm actually quite high, but you can see my spine is actually making a very nice curve here. So this will be your position. So of course, find the position that you feel comfortable. And then slowly rolling up. So these two are very good exercise for your back. Okay, try it at home and tell me how you feel. Alright people, before you leave, I want to recommend you something. This is a Pernatant Fonte gel, okay? It is very effective. It's a massage gel, so it's like an ointment for you if you are having back pain or whatever. Now, reason I am recommending this, of course, because I am an ambassador, but I use this product not because I'm an ambassador, but because it is really effective. I've tried it on my friends. They all tell me it works wonder. So if you're having like any form of like muscle pain, you pull your muscles or you overwork your muscles, or even if you're having arthritis, this is a very good solution. Yeah, I mean, just try it out. You will be amazed by it. So where can you get this? You can get it at klmpharma.com. Okay, klmpharma.com. And if you put in my code, you're going to get 15% discount. So what is my code? Listen carefully. Is JOYE 15% launch. I'll put the code down below so you don't have to worry about it. Alright, and that's it for today. So if you want to buy this, you can go to KLM Pharma to get this for yourself or your family. And if you like my coaching, make sure you click the like button and share it out and subscribe. Do whatever you need to do to show me support. If you need coaching from me, feel free to just email me, message me. Alright, and goodbye. Have a good day.